Pyridostigmine differs from neostigmine in that it is longer acting. Iduronium is more suitable for differentiating myasthenia crisis from cholinergic crisis because of its shorter duration of action. Which of the following is a relatively cerebroselective anticholinesterase found to afford symptomatic improvement in Alzheimer's disease? Donepezil. Pilocarpine reduces intraocular tension in open-angle glaucoma by increasing tone of ciliary muscle. The site of action of miotics for therapeutic effect in angle closure glaucoma is sphincter pupil muscle. Currently, the first choice drug for open angle glaucoma is ocular beta adrenergic blockers. Timolol eye drops are preferred over pilocarpine eye drops by glaucoma patients because timolol produces less ocular side effects. Beta adrenergic blocker lowers intraocular tension by downregulating adenyl cyclase in ciliary body through reduced activation of beta 2 adrenoreceptors. Agonistic action on which of the following adrenergic receptors located on ciliary epithelial cells reduces aqueous secretion? Alpha 2 receptors. To be used as a topically applied ocular beta blocker, a drug should have the following properties except short local anesthetic activity. Bitoxolol differs from timolol in that it is a beta 1 selective blocker. Select the longer acting ocular beta blocker, levobunolol. The following is an alpha 2 adrenergic agonist used as eye drops to lower intraocular pressure. Brimonidine. Which of the following is a prodrug of adrenaline used topically in glaucoma? Dipivaprin. Apraclonidine is a clonidine congener which is used to reduce intraocular tension. Dorzolamide is a topically applied ocular carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Choose the correct statement about latanoprost. It is a prostaglandin F2 alpha derivative used in glaucoma. Select the diuretic that is most effective in acute congestive glaucoma. Mannitol. Neostigmine is beneficial in cobra venom because it antagonizes the paralyzing action of cobra toxin. A suspected case of poisoning has been brought to the casualty with weakness, faintings, involuntary passage of urine and stools, profuse sweating, salivation, watering from nose and eyes. His pulse is 120 by minute, low volume BP 95-60 mmHg, respiration shallow, pupil constricted, muscle flabby with occasional fasciculations. Which is the most likely type of poisoning? Anticholinesterase. Which is the most important drug in the treatment of organophosphate poisoning? That is atropine sulfate. Atropine does not antagonize the following feature of anticholinesterase poisoning: muscle paralysis.